Hello, children. Come, let's study Atmatran. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore, and it was translated by Hajari Prasad Dwivedi in Hindi. All right, so I'll read the poem once. Please read it along with me as usual, and then we will start the explanation. Okay? Come. विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं, केवल इतना हो करुणामय, कभी न विपदा में पाऊं भय। दुख ताप से व्यथित चित्त को न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही, पर इतना होवे करुणामय, दुख को मैं कर सकूं सदा जय। कोई कहीं सहायक न मिले तो अपना बल पौरुष न हिले, हानि उठानी पड़े जगत में, लाभ अगर वंचना रही, तो भी मन में न मानो क्षय। मेरा त्राण करो अनुदिन तुम, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं, बस इतना होवे करुणामय, तरने की हो शक्ति अनामय। मेरा भार अगर लघु करके न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही, केवल इतना रखना अनुनय, वहन कर सकूं इसको निर्भय। नत शिर होकर सुख के दिन में, तव मुख पहचानूं छिन छिन में। दुख रात्रि में करे वंचना, मेरी जिस दिन निखिल मही, उस दिन ऐसा हो करुणामय, तुम पर करूं नहीं कुछ संशय। So children, Atmatran means defending oneself. Okay? Let's begin with the poem. विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं. Vipada means calamity. So Rabindranath Tagore is talking to the God, and he tells him कि I am not praying to you that you please come and save me from all the difficult times that have fallen upon me. Okay, save me from the calamities in life. And that is not what I am asking you to do. केवल इतना हो करुणामय. Karunamay, God. One who has sympathy, empathy, affection, love for everyone. केवल इतना हो करुणामय. Only do so much for me, O God. कभी न विपदा में पाऊं भय. Vipada, difficult times. Bhay, fear. That I should never get fearful when difficult times fall upon me. Please don't come and protect me. That is not what I'm asking you to do. That is not why I'm praying to you. Just do so much for me that I shouldn't get scared when difficult times fall upon me. दुख ताप से व्यथित चित्त को न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही. दुख ताप, when we are facing just too much of stress, too much anxiety, we are so distressed. At that time also, if you don't come and console my chit is mind, if you don't come and console me, even when I'm distressed, it is okay, no problem. पर इतना होवे करुणामय, but do so much for me, O God. दुख को मैं कर सकूं सदा जय. I should be able to win over all the, worries, all the tensions, all the difficulties, always. I should be able to win over them, face them and win over them. कोई कहीं सहायक न मिले, तो अपना बल पौरुष न हिले. So when difficult times fall upon me, even if I don't find someone who can assist me get through this, who can just sit and listen to me, and I want to tell out everything, vomit out all that's happening to me, even if there's no one to listen to me. Please see to it that apna bal paurush na hile, the strength that I have within me, it should not go away. I shouldn't become weak. I should still be strong, and I should still continue to move on. Okay, go on and win over all the difficulties in my life. हानि उठानी पड़े जगत में, लाभ अगर वंचना रही. वंचना, cheat. Hani is loss, labh is gain or profit. So even if I have to incur losses in this jagat, in this world, and even if profit or gains, they cheat me, as in ki I will keep losing all the time, I will not win. Like whatever I do, I have to incur losses. I will never make a profit. Even if that happens with me, तो भी मन में ना मानो क्षय. Kshay is decay. But still in my mind, I shouldn't like give up and say, oh, it's of no use and nothing can come of it. I shouldn't give up. I shouldn't say quit. Okay, so this is what Rabindranath Tagore is praying to the God, that may God give him the strength and the will to continue, to fight. मेरा त्राण करो अनुदिन तुम, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं. त्राण, rescue. Anudin, every day. So even if you don't rescue me every other day, every day, okay, so my bad. मेरा त्राण करो अनुदिन तुम, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं. I am not praying to you, I am not requesting you to rescue me from all the difficulties that are coming my way. Okay, I am not requesting you to do that. बस इतना होवे करुणामय. Just do so much for me, O God. तरने की हो शक्ति अनामय. Tarna means to float. Okay, Shakti is strength. Anamay means limitless. बहुत ज़्यादा. Too much. So let me have the strength to float through difficult times. Okay, even if I'm not able to swim, let me not drown. Let me not give up, say quit and drown. Let me keep afloat. Let me have that much strength, because all of us know that good times, just like good times don't last forever, even bad times don't last forever. So let me be able to keep afloat till then. मेरा भार अगर लघु करके न दो सांत्वना, नहीं सही. So bhar, burden. Laghu, small. Even if you cannot reduce my burden for me and you cannot console me, not an issue, no problem. केवल इतना रखना अनुनय. I'm only praying to you, please just do so much for me. वहन कर सकूं इसको निर्भय. Vahan means carry. Nirbhay means fearlessly. I should be able to carry all my difficulties fearlessly. Okay? नत शिर होकर सुख के दिन में. And when the times, as I told you, bad times don't last forever. And when the good times come, then नत शिर होकर सुख के दिन में. So when my good days come back, then I should be able to fold my hands and bow down in front of you. तव मुख पहचानू छिन छिन में. I should be able to see you in every single thing in the world, or I should be able to see you and pray to you and be thankful to you, full of gratitude every moment. Okay, So I shouldn't remember you only during my difficult times. I should also remember you. I should always pray to you even during my happy times. I should always see your presence. Okay, I should be thankful to you that I am able to see these happy times. दुख रात्रि में करे वंचना. वंचना, you remember, to cheat. दुख रात्रि में करे वंचना मेरी जिस दिन निखिल मही. निखिल, WHOLE, whole, complete. Mahi, earth. Even when the whole world cheats me, when I'm already down, even when the whole world cheats me, when I'm already feeling so low, उस दिन ऐसा हो करुणामय. Please let it so happen, O God. तुम पर करूं नहीं कुछ संशय. संशय, doubt. I should never doubt your presence. I should always have the confidence that even if the whole world is not with me, you are there to protect me. I hope you enjoyed the poem as much as I did, and I hope you've understood it completely. Bye bye. See you.